It's a very basic job, really, one of the foundations of a sophisticated society, but one which has changed little in centuries. In the blast furnaces at Ebbw Vale, Harry Cadwallader makes the iron that makes the steel, that makes the tin plate, that makes the cans that they fill with spaghetti, baked beans and the like, and pile in dozens on the supermarket shelves. Or at least he did make the iron. Now he's got to find something else to do with the rest of his working life, with the next 17 years, now that they're putting out the fires at Ebbw Vale. Harry's only one of 4,000 men in the town who's got to make a new life, and he's not alone in finding it a bewildering change.
I don't suppose it'd have hit everyone, you know. I'll be honest, I don't know what I'll be like, because I've never been able to work. You know, I can't really grasp what it'll mean that I won't have a job to go to. I don't know what I'll feel like then, really. I can't seem to, you know, grasp it.
During the next 2 years, the traditional work of generations of men in Ebbw Vale will disappear. As the steel industry struggles to come to terms with 20th century economics, the local works, a remarkable survival from the 19th century, will be an inevitable casualty. Harry Cadwallader must give up his job, it's said, in the interests of other steelworkers throughout the country. Tradition, skill and years of industrial peace don't weigh heavily enough to change the grand strategy for the very survival of British steelmaking.